Do you know that you can actually lose weight in just 7 days? Yeah, I mean 7 good days. You can actually lose a lot of weight just with this one tea. Your weight gain journey will change. And if you want to know what tea I'm talking about that can help you lose weight for as fast as 7 days or even less, then you want to keep on watching this video. Hey beautiful people, welcome back. It's your girl Esosa Tovia. If you're new to my YouTube channel, you are welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, you are welcome. Today I am going to be sharing with you all how you can actually lose weight for as fast as 7 days. You can even lose it within 3 to 4 to 5 to 7 days, but I decided to just go for 7 days because you can actually lose the weight before the 7 days. When this tea was tested and given out to so many people, a lot of them came back with a testimony that they lost weight in 2 days using this tea. So that's to tell you that you can actually lose weight for as fast as 7 days. So what drink are we talking about here? What tea am I talking about? Is the SBT weight loss tea, as you can see on the screen. So guys, our weight loss tea can actually make you lose weight for as fast as 7 days. Yeah, you will shrink down all of those fats, all of those toxic things on your body that you might not want or that is not making you comfortable. With our weight loss tea, you can actually lose all of those weights in just 7 days or less. So how does this tea work? What is it made up for? So our weight loss tea is made with all natural herbs. So every herbs you can think of that has ever made you lose weight, like moringa leaves, cinnamon, ginger, and lots more that you can think of. These types of herbs that makes you lose weight are what has been put together to form this tea, and this tea is so effective that you can start seeing results for as fast as 7 days. So if you've ever struggled with weight loss, if you've ever struggled with not losing those weights you've ever wanted to lose, I just want to tell you, do not worry anymore. All you need to do is head over to www.shapedbytovia.com and go get your weight loss tea, guys. In 7 days you will start seeing results. No matter how much weight you're currently weighing and you want to really lose that weight, all you need is SBT weight loss tea. So how does this tea works? How does it make you lose weight? So by drinking this tea, you will be losing weight. It will help you with your appetite, because one of the things with weight gain is you need to eat a lot. So when you're eating a lot, that means you will be gaining more weight. So the more food you eat, you'll be gaining more weight. But with this tea, it's going to help you with your appetite. It's going to make you fuller than normal. And aside that, it's also going to help your food digest in the best way, in the sense that if you're the type that your metabolism is so slow that you just eat and then now you are hungry again, it's going to help you fasting that way. Once you eat, the food then gets done and relax and just work in the perfect way it should be working. Aside that, it's also going to help with the calories on your body. So those type of food you eat that do give you a lot of calories, it's going to break them down for you in a more better manner. The product is homemade with herb. There's no artificial ingredients, there's no artificial recipe that may cause any harm or anything to you. No, the product is 100% safe and healthy for you to drink, for you to take. So how do you actually take this tea? So as soon as you've placed your order from www.shapedbytovia.com, or you can simply write me on Instagram at shapedbytovia to place an order. We also take your orders by DM, or you can actually go through the website to place an order. We do ship worldwide. So once you receive your order, once you receive your tea, there's instructions on how you should obviously take it, but I'll make it shorter for you on this video. So once you receive your order, all you need to do is boil water. Once the water is ready, just insert 1 tea in the morning and then allow it to rest for at least 5 minutes. Once it's ready, all you need to do is drink it. You can add your honey, you can add your lime if you want, but all the same, all you need to do is just drink. And then later in the evening, you do the same thing and watch the magic. Just relax and see the magic. You just need to relax and see the magic of how this weight loss tea, of how this magic tea is going to be performing magic in your body. I'm telling you the truth. See, I'm waiting for your testimony after you use it. Anyways, to make this video a bit short, we're gonna be giving out a code. Use code LOSS15. Okay, LOSS15 for 15% off on our launch day. So we are launching it 2 weeks from now. The date of our launch will be on the description box and also on the comment section. It's gonna be pinned. So take note of the launch day and use this code LOSS15 for 15% off your order. So after that day, this code will no longer be active. It's only going to be active on our launch day. So make sure you make use of it. Okay, you don't want to lose. Okay, another thing is, if you want to fasten your result, if you want to make this weight loss even faster, you can get our detox powder along with it. So how does this one work? All you need to do is you have to detox. Take this at least 3 days before you start your May weight loss tea. So once you take this powder for 3 days to help detox your body, take away anything that is going to hinder your weight loss, anything that's not going to make this journey to be successful. Oh la la la, we're going to be kabash, we're going to be cancering, we're going to be taking it up by our detox tea. We're going to be detoxing and taking out all of those toxicity. Anyways, okay guys, don't mind me, I played too much. Anyway, so yeah, you're gonna use the detox tea first to take away anything that has to go, okay, before you start using your weight loss tea. All the same, they are both safe. They are both made from natural herbs. Everything you are seeing, they are made from natural herbs and safe for you, and it all helps, guys. You guys know how healthy, how beneficial herbs are. Like, they gives you a lot of vitamins, minerals. They make you so healthy. They make you younger. They make you look good with your skin looking all fresh. Those are what herbs do for you. Okay, you know the benefits of herbs. Now imagine taking it to lose weight. You are gonna be on the right track. You're gonna be on the right track. Anyways, back again. So remember, you can go order from www.shapebytovia.com or go through our Instagram at shapebytovia. You can also follow us on TikTok. We do leave some behind the scenes videos there and some reviews as well. So I wish you guys the best of luck in your weight loss journey, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you. I love you guys. Bye.